Hey, quick question for you. Have you ever felt like your email marketing just isn't giving you the results you expected? Maybe you've tried setting up campaigns before, but they don't seem to convert. Or maybe you're just overwhelmed by how much time it takes to get everything right? Well, I've got some good news for you. I want to show you a simple way to supercharge your email campaigns and start seeing real results. And it's way easier than you think. Introducing 7-Day Email. It's a tool designed specifically to help you get your email marketing on track, fast. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced pro, this tool will give you everything you need to create campaigns that actually work. Here's the best part. I'm offering you a free 7-day email course that walks you through exactly how to set up your campaigns and start driving traffic, sales, and leads almost immediately. You don't need to be an expert. Click the link below to get your free 7-day email course.